Hi, I'm Katalin, the creator of Creative English in Hungary, and I am here on behalf of Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread man for Christmas. When you mixed it a little bit, or when you mixed it more or less, then you can start mixing it together, kneading it with your hands. It's a bit sticky work, but good fun. So, of course, wash your hands first. So now when all the bits and pieces came up from the bowl, and you can actually hold your dough like that, then it's perfect. Then press it together, like make a big ball. Okay, and then put it into the fridge for about an hour. So it should look like that. Very soft at the top, not sticky, not floury, so just right.